Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that bell for that notification link. Okay? So if you want to know how easy this look was, make sure you stay tuned, okay? And this is very easy, very last minute if you're trying to figure out what to do. So hey y'all. I had to clean my face again. So now I'm going in with the next band member, and that person name is Paul Stanley, which is the lead vocalist. This is the one with the, I believe it's the one with the star on the face. So don't be like me. I try to do old fashioned cutout stencil. I tried to, bend the paper in half and then do the whole little tracing outline. And then when you open it, it's supposed to look like a star. Yeah, my measurement was all off. So don't be like me. Just print out a star shape and cut it out and use that against your face if you want more precision. But me, I'm all about, just trying to do what I do with what I got. So this one was like the easiest one out of all of them. I just had to put the star on. I believe I don't know if it's on the right eye or the left eye. But anyway, just put it on one of your eyes, okay? And now I'm just using my white Snazaroo face paint. I'm using this foundation brush. Don't ask me what brand it was. It was just one I had laying around. It just applies a lot better when I'm using face paint. So I'm literally covering up 95% of my face with this white paint. So this one is the actually easiest one out of all of them. Just make sure you watch yourself so that you're not getting white paint all in your eye. Now you will probably want to do a couple layers of the white. As you can see, this one is a bit transparent. But if you have better paint, a better painting technique, go for it. This is just to kind of show you, to kind of get the ball rolling and to give you an idea of what you could be as a last minute easy DIY Halloween face paint idea. Now, I am going to be just doing this around the perimeter of my face as well. All right, y'all. So now I'm coloring in the star with black paint. Now, as you can use more precision with the paint and cover over some of the white just to make the star look more like a star. So now I'm just outlining my eyebrow with the black paint. Now this is going to be covered with my hair because as you can see in most of the pics that their eyes are covered with their heavy bangs and long tresses. So now I'm going in with my red Snazaroo face paint to do my lips. I put a couple layers on because some of the white was getting into the red and making it pink. But you can go ahead and use regular lipstick or liquid lipstick so that it can last longer throughout the night. So hey y'all, let me know if you love this look. It was really easy. As I stated in my one video, this is the look I've been wanting to do. I wanted to do all the band members. I think it's something really fun and something if you have 3 other friends that you can do and participate in. So this is pretty good. All right, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I didn't put no lashes on because I didn't want to have to deal with glue and paint. So, yeah, we just going to leave it like that. And we just going to use the bang to cover this eye. Because in all the pics that I've seen, his star would be like halfway covered anyway. But you already knew who he was. So you didn't need the full star because, you know, he's a star. And I'm a star. And we out here shining. All right, y'all. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, make sure you stay positive and stay beautiful. All right. Bye.